What's up, guys and gals? Check it out. Here it is, the saddlebag tank in the white color. This one here, 200 cc's of power. Lots of goodies on it. Fuel injection. Everyone, not carbureted. That's right, fuel injected. So you're going to be able to start this in cold weather, hot weather, you name it. 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine, so it's an easy start. It's got a nice rugged 12-inch ribbon tire on it. Disc brakes in the front, drummer in the back. LED lights. Super bright, tough to tell in the summertime here, daylight, but at nighttime, what a light. Now, you've got your saddlebag on the left and the right-hand side, okay? And these do open up. You can fit a lot of storage underneath, and then, of course, underneath the seat as well, which does seat 2 passengers. You got your pegs right here, your kickstand, your mechanic stand, and then, of course, you've got your kick start right there as well. So if you ever lose power on the battery, you can kick start this vehicle, no problem. The scooter, again, lots of different options on it. And like I said, we can ship this one nationwide right to your door. Turn signal, headlight, horn, tail light, digital dash. And it also has, you check it out right here, you got your Bluetooth as well. So kind of fun, kind of neat. Fully street legal in all the states. Very fun to drive. And this one in the white color. We also do carry blue, red, and black. So red, black, blue, and white. If you guys are looking for a specific color, you have to call us to make sure that we actually have it in stock. And we can ship them nationwide right to you. So you call us up, 866-606-3991. And to take her for a ride, again, you simply just hop on it. Nudge forward there, and just give her a little twist and go. Now this one, yes, it is fully automatic. So fully automatic means there is no transmission clutch to switch. Yes, it does have a trans, but it does not have any type of clutch that you have to shift gears at all whatsoever. So that makes it very, very nice. Top speed of about 65 to 68 miles per hour. Of course, depending on the weight of the rider. And a very smooth motor. You're going to get lots of miles per gallon, upwards of 75 to 85 miles per gallon on this hog. Very fun, cool. And looks pretty neat too, if you ask me. So, guys and gals, like I said, street legal, all states, keyed ignition. You've got it right here. High beam, low beam. You call us today, we'll get you a great deal. SaferWholesale.com. This is our warehouse right here. It's not pretty, but it serves a purpose to get you this product delivered right to your front door. You call us today, 866-606-3991. SaferWholesale.com. Import junkies, we'll get you one today.